Alright, this is what it's like to get fuel without a truck stop.
That moment when you know it's over, it's done, it's goodbye. Your world comes crashing down like it's the end of times. This is that. This is that. That feeling way down in your gut, the shivers and shakes, the pain that comes on quick, ain't no mistake. This is that.
First, we're gonna fill up the regular fuel tank.
This is that. This is that. It's really real. That feeling you feel. She ain't ever coming back. This is that.
A lot of times while you're waiting, we wash the window.
That kind of alone that feels like you ain't even alive. That darkness that sets in only when you've seen the light.
Alright. That side
This
done.
is
Stop
that.
fueling on both sides.
This is
Come back to this
that.
side.
That lesson you finally
Top down.
learned just a little too late. That kind of regret that you thought you would never taste.
Come back over here.
This is that.
Top this side off.
This is that. This is that. It's really real.
Alright, we got fuel, so now you see, you gotta get depth.
Coming back. This is that. This is that.
After you get depth, you gotta get reefer. The reefer tank is back there, so get back in the truck. And then you gotta pull up. So you want to just pull up just far enough to get to the reefer tank. This is what controls the reefer and the APU. This guy's on the fuel gauge right there. You can see it could be kind of annoying, I mean. And then when I need to fill the water up for the sink, that's another thing you have to do. This is only a 30-gallon tank, so it don't take long. Give a quick look around of the truck to make sure everything's good. Alright, that's what it's like to get fuel. It's the next day. We're still at this rest area. So we're gonna walk around this rest area and see what it's about. So we'll show you that.
Walking around the rest area. A lot of trucks here today.
What's today? Saturday?
Yeah.
Saturday at a rest area?
Yep.
That's a nice rest area, actually.
It is. Really nice.
They got nice picnic tables and places to sit everywhere.
I know.
The whole dog area we showed you yesterday.
Yeah.
The actual rest area is over there. We haven't been in it, but
Yeah.
it looks to be a decent size.
Yeah, watch, because there's cars coming. I wonder what's down there
Let's go find
over
out.
the hill. Looks like some big house or something back there.
Oh, it looks like the sidewalk goes out that way too.
Yeah, it does.
We can follow that trail down there.
Yeah. A lot of cars. Memorial weekend. People traveling. It's like so nice up here
Oh, it's
too.
hot.
The
They got a
weather
whole-
is perfect.
Oh, and it shows you they got a whole walking.
Oh yeah. A
Elm
walkway
Creek
now.
Rest Area. Yeah.
That's awesome. Let's go check it out.
There's no bikes and no roller skates. This will be cool to ride the bike on though.
Yeah, it would. The signs are good. I hear dogs barking. There's actually houses back there. Come on, Reese. Get out of the big weeds. It's good to get out of the truck and get exercise. We try to get out and walk. I get out all the time with the dog. But we try to get out and walk to go like get food, or when we was at the hotel, we walked all the way over to like the grocery stores. We do a lot of walking. We try to. It's hard to stay healthy and fit out here. But we at least try to,
Go to circle back to the parking lot.
yeah, to get out and do some walking. Get our blood circulating.
We used to go in malls all the time.
Yeah,
Everywhere in the country when we first started doing this. On the weekends, we'd always kind of find whatever mall we happen to be around, and haven't been doing much of that lately. But
yeah. Looks like they planted a bunch of trees on the walking path.
definitely one of the nicer rest areas. Some of them are sketchier hell.
Yeah. There's like really nice rest areas out here, and then there's some that you don't want to stop out by.
There's some
Out here.
get the truck locked and stay inside.
Yeah. But that's rare, honestly.
Most of them ain't too bad. Even the truck stops.
Yeah.
I mean, anybody that doesn't do this, you only hear bad things about truck stops and rest areas and stuff like that. But they're really not that bad. I mean, if
Yeah.
you happen to be roaming around at them at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, that might be a different story. But when there's water down there.
Oh wow, it's like a much more step. Oh yeah, it's like a pond down there. Those people's backyard, basically.
You know, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really nice. I think that's a big body of water over there too. It looks like. You know, if it might wrap around here, or we can get a better shot of it. Well, they even got a picnic table down there under the tree. That's awesome. They have one right there too. Looks like they're doing some kind of walking on for some reason.
You know, it is a water.
Oh, I know, yeah.
It's all green,
Yeah.
swampy.
Yeah, hoping when we get on around, we can get a better shot of it. Maybe. It says closed, so they have a bridge.
Right here. Especially us, dude.
Well, they did have a bridge, but it looks like it's fallen in.
Might close just till dawn.
Yeah, they're working on it. Oh, it looks like the bridge went across the water. I mean, they have it blocked off. I mean, they must be having to do some work on it. That's kind of hard to see, but in behind these trees is literally a big lake. And you have this bridge that you can walk across to go see it, but we got it blocked off at the moment. So
we're supposed to leave after 10 hours?
I guess.
10 hours, 3 days, whatever.
Yeah. Thank you. Oak Creek Rest Area. This is what the facility looks like. There are rooms, beds, hallway. And then they have a massive drink machine, which always comes in handy. And their snap machines. And coffee. Where we are sitting. Tell me how long it's been since you've seen a payphone. That's pretty much the inside of this rest area. It's pretty big. Oh, they have a missing person? Oh, that's awful. I don't know if this guy's still missing. They just have this posted at the rest area. Last seen leaving work in this area, Roosevelt Road in St. Cloud, Minnesota on Tuesday, August the 6th, between 10 and 11 a.m. wearing jeans, a sweatshirt, and probably a stocking hat. Most likely in his truck, black, single cab, 1999 Chevy Silverado, Minnesota plate, JEN-330. Maybe heading to Florida or Washington/Oregon area. Oh yeah, and you guys already seen like the big pet area that they have up there, the fence around it. It's really nice. Well, today's Saturday, and we come back in from our walking around the path. I decided to fry some sausage, and I made some homemade biscuits, and I got some hash browns in here, cooking still, and I'm fixing to make some gravy. Then we're gonna have some biscuit and gravy, some hash browns. I'm probably gonna scramble a few eggs too to go with it. Eating good out here on the road. Wanted to jump on here and let you guys see. I'll show you what the plate looks like once I get everything put together. And that way everyone can see that you can eat, you know, good meals out here. Or make your own meals out here without having to eat fast food all the time.
So this is the breakfast that Vicky made today. Hash browns, scrambled eggs, biscuit and gravy.
The gravy got a little thick.
All made on the truck. Like, that's proof that you can actually eat good home cooked meals without having to eat the crap that you get at truck stops.
Alright, this is how mine turned out. Gravy, hash browns, eggs. My gravy got a little thick because I had to make it in that pan, but Michael said it still tastes good. That's all that matters.
Well, we drove to this Walmart. We're in Hutchinson, Minnesota. We drove to this Walmart that puts us like, I think it's like 12 or 13 miles from where we're picking up on Tuesday. So we drove here to get closer and go ahead and stay for the next couple of days. We're at that rest area, but we needed to go pick up a few things at Walmart for the week before we get on that load Tuesday, because I believe it's a direct load, meaning once we pick it up, we need to drive it straight there. So I wanted to go ahead and get this stuff done so we can pick it up and go straight to New Jersey Tuesday morning. Had to go in there, some groceries, you know, some basic stuff. It's a pretty nice area. You got a lot of stuff around here, really. And there's a town area. Yeah, it's Sunday afternoon right now. Up that car. Nice car, the white one. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Sunday afternoon right now. We're gonna be pretty much hanging out in the truck. Got some stuff to make dinner tonight. Not sure what we're gonna make. It might be the usual, just becoming street tacos. That's kind of our thing right now, till we get burnt out on them. But for now, that's where it's at. So we might make that. Watch some TV. Just kill time and relax until we get moving Tuesday. But they got a Harbor Freight over there, PetSmart, Pizza Ranch, Aldi. This is actually a pretty nice area. Plenty of room for the dog to run around. I'm trying to keep the dog occupied while Becky's putting up all the groceries. Kind of cool this morning for summer, but it was actually long sleeve weather this morning. It's warmed up now for sure, but It's a really nice day. I don't know what it is about Minnesota, but it seems like all the colors pop more up here. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but like the sky, it's really blue, the clouds, the grass, it's really green, like everything just seems to pop a little more, if that makes any sense. Maybe it's just me, I don't know.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to jump on here and thank you guys for liking and subscribing and commenting on our videos. I wanted to leave you guys with this time lapse and just tell you we appreciate it, and we will be with you guys later on this week. Bye.
The only way was up, and I saw what we had was no longer worth fighting for. But you know, I tried my hardest, I tried my best to be the man you always wanted. And I know we've fallen, I know we've gotten away from where we were before. But baby, now I'm better. I thought we were good enough. I told all of my friends about you, put everything I had on the table.